Good morning, students. Today we start new chapter, fourth chapter, metals and non-metals. We are very familiar with metals and non-metals because you learn metals and non-metals in your previous class. Also, you learn about matter, physical change, chemical change, so reversible, irreversible change. So these all are all topics you already cover in previous classes. So in this chapter, we will discuss about metals, their properties, chemical and physical properties, either they conduct electricity or heat, or non-metals, what type of properties of non-metal and what type of reactivity they show with different substance. So let us start. See the pictures. There are different kinds of metals, non-metals and metallites present in these pictures. So let us start chapter. So introduction. We have learnt in previous classes about matter and changes that it undergoes. Means ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਿਛਲੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਸਾਂ 'ਚ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੋ matter. What is matter? Which that occupies anything that occupies space and mass, that is called matter. So there are so many changes you learn in your previous classes: physical and chemical changes, irreversible, reversible change, fast and slow changes. So these all learned in previous lower classes. So we have learned about physical and chemical changes in matter. So what is a chemical change? A substance undergo change to form one or more new substance. ਉਹ change ਜਿਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਨਵਾਂ substance, new substance produce ਹੁੰਦਾ, that is called chemical change. But there is in physical change there is no formation of a new substance. So what is a chemical change? To produce a new substance during the change, that is called a chemical change. So a substance underlying a substance that cannot be broken down further into a simpler substance by chemical reaction is called element. वो substance ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ by any physical or chemical change we cannot break further or into simple substance, that substance is called an element. That is called an element. So carbon, oxygen, iron, copper, gold, silver, platinum, sulfur, fluorine, chlorine, these all are the examples of elements. So what we learn in this chapter, we will learn about metals and non-metals. What are metals and non-metals? What are their properties, physical and chemical properties? Some we discuss in this chapter. Non-metals, what are the uses of metals and non-metals? So there are 118 or more than 118 elements known till now by the scientists. So 118 ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ elements ਜਿਹੜੇ discover ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਆ. So how many naturally occurring elements? That are 92. So 90 out of 120 or more than 120, there are 92 elements which are occur in nature, we obtain from nature. So there are 92 elements we obtain from nature. So the rest are human made elements which we modify the natural elements and change into to produce new elements. So two or more of these elements combine together in fixed proportion to form a compound. There is another definition. What is compound? When two or more of these elements combine together in fixed proportion, means in fixed amount, in fixed ratio, to produce a compound. So can you imagine the number of compounds that can be formed from 100 or 120 elements? There are so many compounds formed when they combine with each other. So each element atoms combine differently with other element atoms to form a maximum number of compounds. So there are so many, we cannot imagine how many number of compounds are formed. So at all the matter that exists around us is made up of elements and compounds. So जो matter साडे कोले आले दुआले, that is made up of elements and compounds and their mixture, combination of elements or compounds when two or more compounds combine to form a mixture. So elements further made up of small particles that are called atoms. So elements formed from a very tiny particles that are called atoms. So the smallest unit of matter is atom. Smallest unit or basic unit of matter is atom, or element basic unit is atom. So hence we can say that the basic unit of matter is atom. So basic unit की है साडे को matter दी, that is atom. So an element has only one type of atom which are different from atoms of other element. For example, if we take a pen or pencil, there is in a pen there is only one kind of atoms present in an element. Or we take an iron nail, सो एक मेक दे विच साडे कोल सिर्फ आयरन के पार्टिकल्स ही होणगे, होर किसी एलीमेंट के एटम्स प्रेजेंट नहीं होणगे। इस तरह पेंसिल दे विच ग्रेफाइट हुंदा, ग्रेफाइट दे विच सिर्फ कार्बन के पार्टिकल्स होणगे, होर किसी दे नहीं। सो कोई भी एलीमेंट है वो सिर्फ वन टाइप ऑफ एटम्स जोड़े प्रेजेंट होंगे, बट दे आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर एलीमेंट एटम्स। सो फॉर एग्जांपल एन एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एन एटम ऑफ copper, and that is different from an atom of iron, so in its mass and property. So they different from mass and property. So oxygen is a lightweight and copper is a higher weight as compared to oxygen, and they show different properties because oxygen is gas and copper is a metal, or oxygen is non-metal but copper is a metal, which is a good conductor of heat and electricity. So an element is defined as the substance made up of only one type of atom. So there is another definition of an element, the substance which made up of only one type of atoms, जेड़ा इको टाइप दे एटम्स तो साडे को मिल के बनया होया। So when an element undergo physical change, it atoms remain unaffected। जे physical change दे अंडर आ रहे ने एटम्स दी जड़ी कोई चेंज न्यू सबसटेंस नहीं प्रोड्यूस हो रहा, तो एटम्स विच कोई चेंज नहीं होगी। फॉर एग्जांपल एटम्स ऑफ आयरन आर सेम इन सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड वेपर स्टेट। आयरन नील है, उन्होंने हीट कर दो मैक्सिमम टैंपरेचर दैट चेंजेस इनटू लिक्विड, वो जोड़े एटम्स ने वो सेम रहने। इस तरह वाटर आइस है, उन्होंने असी हीट करते हैं दैट चेंजेस इनटू वाटर। सो वाटर के जोड़े एटम्स ने वो सेम रहते हैं, एंड इन वेपर स्टेट दे ऑल्सो सेम। सो इट मीनस ड्यूरिंग अ फिजिकल चेंज दी एटम्स रिमेन्स अनअफेक्टेड, मतलब देर इज़ नो चेंज इन एटम्स ड्यूरिंग द फिजिकल चेंज। सो हाउएवर when an element undergoes a chemical reaction or chemical change, there is a change in atoms. An atom of sodium is different from an atom of sodium present in sodium chloride. So एक sodium metal है साडे को, उहदे च जिहड़े एटम्स ने वो डिफरेंट होणगे, जबकि सोडियम क्लोराइड है जिहड़ा उहदे च जिहड़े सोडियम के एटम्स ने वो कंबाइंड फॉर्म च ने। साडे को एक कंपाउंड है सोडियम क्लोराइड, जिन्हों असी कॉमन सॉल्ट कहते हैं। सो देर इज़ अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन सोडियम मेटल एंड सोडियम क्लोराइड सॉल्ट, दैट इज़ अ सॉल्ट एंड दैट इज़ अ मेटल। सो ड्यूरिंग अ केमिकल रिएक्शन देर इज़ अ डिफरेंशिएशन और देर इज़ अ चेंज इन एटम्स composition or variation. So let us learn more about the elements. So what are metals and non-metals? So elements have different properties. Their properties depend upon the type of atoms they have. So different atoms show different types of properties because what type of atoms present in them. So based on the properties, elements are classified into metals and non-metals, which we discuss one by one. So let us start with the help of an activity, whether a substance is metal or non-metal. To identify the object as metal and non-metal, play a game with your friend in class. Both of you take a slip of paper and pen in your hand. Now look around your classroom. What type of object present in your classroom or around it? So 5 objects made up of metals and other 5 objects made up of non-metals. You sit in your home in a room. So see about what type of write the 5 objects made up of metals and 5 objects of non-metal. You see in your room where you sit at this time. सो तुसी लिख सकते हो, तो वो देखो कि किहड़ियां मैटल्स दियां बनी हुई किहड़ियां नॉन मैटल्स दियां। नाउ डिस्कस अबाउट योर लिस्ट एंड विद अदर discuss with other persons. So whether objects are made up of metals or non-metals. Take an example of a ballpoint pen. एक pen the example of the tip of pen is shiny. You take an example of your ballpoint pen. So the tip of the pen is shiny in nature, luxury in nature, मतलब कि चमक रही है, साढ़े को strong है, whereas the body is dull and not hard, that is made up of plastic. It means the tip of pen is made up of metal and but the body is made up of plastic material or non-metal. So there are 118 elements, only 21 or less than 21 non-metals. जेडे 118 या 120 elements ने, there are only few non-metals present from these elements. So there are some elements which have properties of both metals and non-metals. These are called metals. metals elements जेडे दोनों metals दी properties भी show करते हैं, non-metals, that are called metallides or semi-metals or semi-non-metals. For example, boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, polonium, these are called metallides, which show metals and non-metals both properties show. So Some metalloids like silicon and germanium have special properties because they are used to making electrical circuit devices such as computers and calculators. Chips ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਚਿੱਪਾਂ ਵਗੈਰਾ यूज़ ਕਰਦੇ ਪੈਨ ਡਰਾਈਵ that is made up of silicon and germanium. So see the pictures at page number 46. Bromine, that is a non-metal which is liquid at room temperature. Potassium, it is a soft metal. Sodium as well as soft metal, easily cut with the knife. So sulfur, it is a non-metal. Then tin, then germanium. So these are the some few metals, non-metals and metalloids features. So let us